High-intensity discharge headlights, or HID headlights, use high-voltage current to produce stronger light than halogen headlights. But these headlights can still fail. Common types of failure include overheating, moisture intrusion, damage from a collision, and burning out from repeated duty cycles. Each scenario can cause the HID lighting system to become inoperative, leading to reduced visibility and unsafe driving conditions for motorists. To help restore and maintain proper function for this important safety category, we're proud to offer a line of OE Exact Match HID headlight ballasts. Let's take a closer look. Heavy-duty casings around electronics ensure durability. Plug-and-play design means no need for reprogramming. Internal circuitry matches OE design to ensure performance. Plus, our HID headlight ballasts are DOT certified to ensure compliance with federal motor vehicle safety standards. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, manufacturing, and testing, Standard is the aftermarket leader.